Alright, welcome back everyone. Saturday night, evening. Looks like they have like a little, I'm not sure, maybe wedding party or something. And right over there by the pier. It's still kind of chilly out. I don't see anybody in the water right now. It's pretty chilly. I've been sticking my toes in the water a little bit. But Blue doesn't want to get in there at all. Wants to eat some more stuff, so I can't make a video. Always trying to eat whatever seashells and stuff that we have on the beach. It's a good day for riding horses though, and walking along the beach, having a few drinks. It's always nice. The water's looking pretty nice. Tomorrow's Sunday. Not sure if I get a chance to go in the water tomorrow or not. Nice, I got a horse pooper picker-upper guy. That's what this guy does. He follows along and picks up poop. So it's gotta be not that fun of a job, I think. I don't think I would try it. Anyway. Looks like they got some new stuff over there. More little hut things. Little party places to bar area stuff. Way back on the beach up there, so it's a little bit of ways away from the water. So that's nice. But yeah, pretty chilly and looks like rain. It is raining at the store. So, it looks like rain. It is sprinkling over there. Was sprinkling over there when I left. So, probably still sprinkling over there. Pretty dark clouds right there. Over the store and kind of back up over there. Tons and tons of people out tonight, Saturday night, but it's not a time to get in the water. I guess there's like 4 or 5 people down there, maybe in the way down there by the public area. But this is mostly like people go to the club and stuff. They just come out for a little bit and see the beach, and they go drinking and stuff, and then see the beach because you only have to be 18 to drink here. So the kids come down and. I mean, not kids, but you know what I mean. Under 21 come down and party and drink and hang out and walk on the beach and eat elotes and stuff. But a lot of people come down to have weddings and stuff and parties, different kind of parties and stuff. Just a lot of people out because pretty much the summer has started. School's out. And summer started, so everybody's taking their vacations, and this is a huge vacation spot, so it's gonna be busy probably every day, whether it's nice or not. Sprinkling right over there, but not at the beach, so haven't had any raindrops here yet. one day people will be watching the videos. They're like, hey, that's me right there. I was there that weekend. Yep. Really try to get people, if they want to have a video, you know what I mean, they'll walk right to you. If they don't, they'll kind of like make like a guy. Here's the dancing horse right over there. He's out tonight, or maybe not. Maybe he's just being crazy, but no, I think he's dancing around. He probably whipped him so hard he is dancing now. Oh, that's him. Dancing. But now I think he's trying to get him to do what he wants to. He don't want to, so he's acting crazy and stuff. I'm trying to throw him off. Yeah, that's why I don't like horses too much, because they, I thought it was a trick, right? They can go against you like that and make it really hard to control them. And it just doesn't that, it's not that fun sometimes. Oh gosh, there he is. That dog. Too bad we can't get a little bit of sunshine with the nice weekend beach days, but just keep hoping, and maybe the dark clouds will go away eventually. And the water was starting to warm up and it was getting nice. Here comes a nice little Chihuahua dog. That's gonna be a nice one. Just gonna see if we can get the video of this dog. Looks like bigger than Jack, but smaller than Marley. And just crazy as could be. like a Chi-Chi could be. Pretty little dog. Yeah, I miss my female Chihuahua. She was pretty crazy and just tried to control all the other dogs, and no matter how big or small they are, she controlled them, you know what I mean? She was in charge. This horse looked like he was doing some tricks there for a minute, but then, I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, but a beautiful night though, still 63. Maybe 65, but I doubt it. Like 62. I didn't check. It tries to say we're gonna get 80 plus by the end of the month. Finding that hard to believe. There's a few tents out. A lot of tents, like, oh, a good amount of tents. This tent there right there, so. I think you can tent and have a campfire and stuff and hang out as long as you're not crazy if they come and check on you. I don't know what the deal is. I think you can camp in front of somebody's property. You gotta stay off the beach a little bit. There's people out there hanging out. Father's Day's coming up in a week. LGBTQ. I try to say it too fast every time. Month is going on, so a lot of people are out partying for that. I know some partiers going to like LGBTQ parties today. LGBTQ. You know what I mean. I don't practice it every day, so. LGBTQ. Pretty nice evening though. Other than the rain over there, but it's not raining at the beach right now, so you're all good. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. We're quickly moving to 5,200, maybe tonight, or I don't know. I'll get this video uploaded as quick as possible. We're almost to 2 million views. We're gonna tell you guys how I built the channel and how long it took. Forever and ever. Got a good volley going on right there. Ah, dropped it. Yeah, it took a lot of time, a lot of work, a lot of hours, videos every day for years. So we'll go over that. We can look at the timeline, see exactly how many. I don't edit, so we see how much views I had, how many subscribers I had, and what day, what day it was, and what year, and then you can look and see like how many I had. You know what I mean? 1 year later, and then 1 year later, and then after all these years, finally took off. And so now I'll be looking at other videos and other channels to see how many views they have, see how long they've been, and how many videos they've uploaded. Just to try to, of course I'm going to compare to see like what other people have done. Notice I have a lot more videos than some people. I have 2,000 plus videos, I think 2,300, 2,400 videos that I made and uploaded to YouTube. So that's a substantial amount, but it's beach videos though, and some other different things, but a lot of beach videos. I try to do different restaurants and different festivities going on and things, and so much so like it's just constantly loading and deleting videos and uploading and content and stuff, and it's just it's a lot of work, but I try to show people, like, you know, this is a wonderful place for people to come and visit and bring their families for a vacation. It's a wonderful place to live. This guy out there fishing right there. It's just a beautiful place overall to come and hang out, and a lot of the people are really helpful and stuff, and all the people here are nice, and I mean, the police just want you to stop and don't drink and drive, so just be careful of them and you'll be okay. Other than that, if you got any questions or anything, give me a message. We're always at the store 7 days a week. Put in Chi-Chi's Boutique. Come right there. Welcome anytime. Free gifts for subscribers. Thank you guys, and don't forget to check out the Pelicanos, little restaurant right here on the beach. Usually pretty full, so make sure they got massages and all that stuff you've seen in the other videos. So make sure you check them out if you have a chance. They got excellent food, and it's amazing. The service is outstanding, so you gotta check it out. All right, thank you guys. Please hit that like button, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you back here at the beach. Dark clouds.